today I've got an unboxing video for you today, and this is the Tinsel My Fancy by Balm Cosmetics 24-day advent calendar. It's quite heavy, it was kind of tippling on me there. This was technically last year's advent calendar, but if you don't follow Lady Wright's blog, or Lady Wright, she actually has had an exclusive of Balm Cosmetics, and they are not bringing out a new big advent calendar this year. So this year we'll be getting re-released. This advent calendar will be getting re-released, so it's the same advent calendar. I'll leave the blog post down below so you know they are bringing out two smaller advent calendars, but the big one is going to be this one re-released. But you can actually get this advent calendar. I got this advent calendar for £39 or £30 on I'll link it down below, but if I can't find it you can get it for £49 on Fragrance Direct, but I did get it for £39 or £29.99, I can't remember. Yeah, so I thought I'd unbox it and show you what you get in it. It smells absolutely amazing, but I'm getting a lot of different smells, like you can smell it through this. Yeah, so we're going to unbox this, but this is what their big advent calendar is going to be in anyway. So I thought I'd get this out there, because if some of you are wanting their big calendar this year, it is actually going to be the same calendar re-released. I'll leave the blog post and everything like that down below in anyways. What it works out per day for what I paid for it, because obviously I paid a little bit cheaper, but I think it's going to be £70 when they re-release it. So you might as well try and get the deal. So you might as well try and get that deal. Yeah, so this is it here. It's quite big. One side is a lot larger than the other side, but it's a nice looking advent calendar. It's quite a large advent calendar, so I'm going to actually lie it down because it's quite heavy. One is a Let It Be. I'm just going to have a look at the back. Solid shower gel, and it's actually on a string. It smells very honey-ish. It's beautiful. So it works out about £1. I'm going by, I paid £39, but like I said, £39, but I'll put it on the screen what I did pay anyways. Like my memory's like a fish. But if I paid £39, it's about £1.60 odd a day. But we're working between say up to £3 a day if it goes up to a £60 calendar, I think. I'm not 100% sure, my math's not amazing. But that, I definitely think that's worth it. It smells beautiful. Day number 2 is a cute little snowman. He smells quite citrusy, I think. He's really, really cute. I like him. And he's a creamer. If you didn't know that he's a creamer, these are beautiful, make your skin feel amazing. Number 3 is the Balm Doctor Foot Scrub. I've never tried anything like this from them. I've had lip balms from them before. That's good. It says here, let's see, it doesn't say a scent or anything like that, so that is the Balm Cosmetics Foot Scrub. That's something different. I like that. Number 4 is the Joy Bath Bomb. This smells beautiful, Bath Blaster. These are what made me fall in love with Balm Cosmetics. I absolutely love this. I didn't say they're like wrapped with cellophane over the front of them, so you've got to pop through the cellophane. Okay, number 5 is Santa's Hat. This is another bath creamer. It smells absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. I like the scent of that. Everything smells gorgeous up to now. 6 is Balm Cosmetics Spice Cranberry Tinted Lip Balm. So it's got a little hint of a tint to make your lips look a little bit peachy or cheeky or bitten. That's what I'm getting at, bitten. Number 7, we've got our first bar of soap, and this is really, really cinnamony. It's really cinnamony. Yeah, it's definitely a Christmas scented soap. Day number 8 is an Apple Crumble Lip Scrub. That sounds beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Something different, I feel like. Yeah, Apple Crumble Lip Scrub. Day number 9 is a red bar soap, and it's got lovely swirls in it. This really smells nice. I feel like it's got a hint of cherry. I'm going to have a look. This is Candy Cane Mountain Soap, I think. I'm not 100%, but that was that door. Number 10 is a Vanilla Shower Blaster or shower thing. This is beautiful. It smells gorgeous. I love the smell of vanilla. This is massive and all. Like, look at the size of that in my hand. This is something you put in the shower, and I'm assuming it gives you the aroma and makes you feel nice and relaxed in the shower. That is gorgeous. Smells gorgeous. 11 looks a bit like that shower thing, but it's smaller and it's got total different texture. It smells beautiful. I'm gonna have a look what it is. It's the only thing that it could have come with a sheet. You have to turn the advent calendar over. This is a shampoo bar, so this is to wash your hair. I didn't even know they'd done shampoo bars, so that's good. Something different, better for the environment, all that jazz. Day number 12 is the hand in the cookie jar hand treatment. I've heard really good stuff about their hand treatments. Absolutely, absolutely. The packaging feels quite luxe and all. Yeah, so definitely at this time, well, I say at this time, Christmas time of the year and all, but even now, this come in handy. Day number 13 is Elf on a Shelf by Balm Cosmetics. Now, he is actually in his own cellophane inside this, so some are wrapped in cellophanes and some aren't. I'm assuming he's got glitters, and that's why, like, because there's a layer of cellophane that you've got to pop through, and then some have got cellophane on them. I'm assuming that the ones with the cellophane on them have got glitter in them or something like that, and he is like Christmas scented. He's like really, really Christmassy scented. He smells like full on cinnamon. Really, really like that. That is definitely a Christmas scent. So we went day number 14. Day number 14 is another bar of soap. Now this is like a lighter colour. This is very got manly scent to me. I don't know what it is, I'll tell you. I at the night bar of soap. I can say that that's beautiful. I like that. It smells really nice. If you like the scent of like manly scents, you would like this. I do, so I'm not going to complain about that. Day number 15 actually smells absolutely gorgeous, and it is the Xmas Bath Blaster. I feel like these make your skin feel beautiful. The creamers are a lot better at making your skin feel beautiful, but I feel like these make your skin feel beautiful. Day number 16 is another blaster, and these are really big, and this is like a Christmas tree one. It smells beautiful and all. They both smell very fresh and floral, to be honest, in my opinion. Yeah, so I like them. I think my sister would love this advent calendar. Like, I would love this advent calendar as a gift. My sister loves Balm Cosmetics. I feel like my sister would love this advent calendar. I definitely think I may purchase this for my sister. Day number 17 is another bath blaster. I feel like they could have mixed the bath blasters up and you're not opening the bath blasters day after day. But this is like a bath blaster which got like swirls on. It smells absolutely beautiful. Really does. So yeah, I feel like we've just had like a few bath blasters in a row. I suppose if you wanted them in a row, that's good. So we want day number 18. 18 is Santa's Baby. I think that's what I said. Slice of soap. Oh, this smells just like the hat creamer. Really nice. Number 19 is a little bit broken, but it's a Cranberry shower blaster thing. I wonder if you could use these actually in the bath too. It doesn't say. But it smells beautiful. My nose is on fire. It's like, can't process all these different scents. Day number 20 is 5 Golden Rings bath creamer, and they weren't shy on the creamer. Look at all that. Wow, that is cinnamony. Really cinnamony, but it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely a Christmas scent. Day number 21, bath creamer, and it's got another. Day number 21 is another bath creamer, and it's got little snowflakes on. Oh, that smells beautiful. That is my favourite so far, that and the snowman. That smells gorgeous. Number 22 is the Grapefruit and Nectarine body polish. I've used their body polishes. They are beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This sounds beautiful and all. I'm not going to open them because I want to keep them good for myself. I've got so many open products at the minute. Sounds like it's going to smell beautiful. Day number 23 is a bar of soap. Now I think this is like a snowy scene one. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. It looks gorgeous and all. Really nice. It looks like little snowflakes on the top. Day number 24 is another bar of soap. It's got like seeds in, so I don't know whether this is like an exfoliating soap or something like that, but it smells beautiful. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. It smells beautiful. Yeah, I feel like they could have given us a bath blaster or maybe a bath creamer on the last day, because really they are what I prefer. I don't know whether their soaps are more of a better seller and that's why they put soaps in at the end, but I feel like I would have preferred a bath creamer for Christmas Day, something maybe called for Christmas Eve, like a Christmas Eve one or something. Oh, that would be beautiful. That's my only gripe. I feel like they've got a good mix of products, and for what I paid for this advent calendar, I feel like I got an absolute bargain. I know how much the bath bombs cost and the bath creamers cost because I buy them quite a lot. I haven't bought them in a little while, but I do buy them quite a lot. Balm Cosmetics is my favourite bath brand. If you've been with me and watched my videos for a long time, you will know this because I went through quite a few of their products and I used to do quite a lot of their hauls on my channel for them and all. Yeah, so I feel like this is a good one. I have unboxed their older calendars, which are still on sale. It was a few years ago, but I have unboxed them and they were bargains. They were like £15, but I feel like this is definitely a bargain. And since they are re-releasing it, you might as well get it if you can at a cheaper price, because why not? I leave the link post for Lady Writes blog post about this and the other Balm Cosmetics advent calendars, just in case you are interested, because I mean I was interested, I read it. But anyways, I'm doing a lot more advent calendars. I'm actually going to be unboxing this blue sky one next, and I've actually got an eyeshadow on my eyes from a Technic advent calendar. Can you believe it? From the Technic Halo advent calendar. If that's not up, that's coming soon. Yeah, so if you haven't already, I would love it if you subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway at 2,000 subscribers, which I've literally just hit, so it's so exciting. So there'll be a giveaway at the end of this month. And anyways, but I will see you all in my next video. Bye.